Hello, YouTube.
Okay,
Hey.
Today we are gonna open up this mystery toy box that Leah bought from the store.
Show them what can be in it.
Fidget toy, a surprise, a plushie, a silly toy, squish ball, a keychain, fart and poo, and squishy toy. Okay.
All right. I feel like the best thing is to put it in the middle and then close your eyes and grab one.
Can I have some here?
And we all grab one.
Yeah.
Look, let me see it.
You open this.
Let me put it in the front like this, and everyone say cheese.
Okay.
Okay, dope.
Okay.
I didn't smile.
Okay. All right, don't look. Just grab something out. We each grab one.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Ooh, wee.
They're individually wrapped.
That's not even the mic, dickhead.
That's when you're eating ice.
Okay. How do I
Don't look
open
at
this right? Oh, you're a genius.
Okay, don't look. Oh,
Okay, guys.
you're looking.
I'm gonna pull out the first toy.
Close your eyes.
I'm gonna open up the first toy.
Oh, it comes in bag? Wait.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay, our first toy we got was Amazing Squishy,
Oh!
and it could be any of these.
Oh, shit.
All right, let's see what we get.
Let's see what we got to get into.
We got Faye, the fox, the blue fox.
Faye the Fox.
Can I open up another one?
More
No.
Wait, can I open one?
like more like Fate in the secret box.
Wait, who's going next? Let Sage go next.
No.
Yeah, let me go next, bitch.
Oh, he's going next.
Hey, boy.
Okay, let me see the
Don't
box
put
that
that
you're
in the
doing.
video.
Guys, this doesn't feel very good.
Let me see the box.
Bro, pick one.
All right.
Can you indecisive?
Oh,
Bro got a squash ball. I'm kidding, squish.
It's a super squishy blob ball.
Show them what it do.
Oh my god. I don't know what it does.
Show
no,
him what
but
it
you have to
does.
squish it. And then
It
it's just
doesn't.
gonna-
Oh.
That's lit. Bro, you gotta do it like this. When I was a kid, I was like,
Watch out, I'm next.
Ooh.
Am I allowed to go now?
you're next.
Yeah, you got it.
Sure. You already
Got
ruined the
that.
video.
Sorry, who got that? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Do not be messing up my build bear. They also got me a bear for my birthday and it
What?
plays.
Can you not? No fucking way you paid $20 for that.
Let's go. Let me see that. You're not even showing the camera.
Wait, look.
Oh, hell no. That's why I have bad dreams.
Bro, all right, next
There
toy,
better
bro.
be a dream catcher in there for this.
Next toy.
Here, close your eyes.
My turn.
Close your eyes.
Oh, wait. Hold up. I kind of like that one. But I kind of like this one. But I kind of like this one. Ooh, there's another one. I kind of like this one. I know that's not what I think it is.
A water balloon?
That's what we're supposed to do. Yes.
What was y'all thinking?
Oh my god, and it's
Nathan, pick another
I'm
one.
definitely
Okay.
mailing this
No,
to my little
put your,
sister.
is your eyes open?
Is
Nope.
it scented?
Oh, fidget spinner. Are you serious?
Hell yes.
Nah, because they put this on the box, I knew we was gonna get one of these.
I'm gonna pick another one.
Dang.
Okay.
Guys, this toy broke.
Squeeze. Squeeze me for a surprise.
Hey, yo. Nah, because they put this on the box, I knew we was gonna get one of these.
I'm gonna pick another one.
Dang.
Okay.
Guys, this toy broke.
Squeeze. Squeeze me for a surprise.
Hey, yo.
Guys, this broke.
Bruh. Can't have shit.
Wait, I'm squeezing it and there's no surprise.
No way.
I know that's
What
not
is
what
it?
I think it is.
Fart machine, y'all. This is
Oh,
the farts or poo,
oh
bruh.
hell no.
Okay, this is the other one.
It doesn't smell.
Just kidding.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
How much was
Alright.
this?
Does it work?
We got a lot for $20
100.
that we could have got at Dollar Tree.
you.
This is what the guy in Walmart said.
Yeah.
Swear.
Hell no.
Putting this on my keychain.
He really will.
I think I'm gonna put.
He do be doing
All right, is there anything else in that box?
Nope.
Nope.
That's it?
I got the coolest
All right,
thing
we're about to
possible.
do the outro.
I think I got the coolest thing. Let us know in the
Look
comments
at
what
this
you think
glove.
the
Look at
coolest
this
toy was.
glove.
Oh, hell yes. Let me see that.
No.
Oh, I didn't even show the camera. Look.
I hate white people. Let us know in the comments
Hold on,
who
I'm
you
looking
thought
for something
got
for the
the coolest
outro.
thing. It was definitely the first.
All right,
Oh.
guys.
We lighting a firework up in the car. Oh, hell. Show them the firework.
Oh, this is the firework. We're about to light it in the car.
Oh, hell no. This the
It's
littiest.
about to go everywhere.
Holy shit! Holy shit! I'm burning. I'm on fire. Holy.
I can't fucking breathe.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Bye, guys.